Dear all, brothers and sisters, warm greetings from Sri Balaji Vidyapith, popularly referred to as SBV. I am delighted to meet you all once again through Channel 1. I thank you for your continuous support for the Channel 1 video series. Today, we are going to address a topic which is going to certainly revolutionize healthcare in the future. Artificial intelligence in healthcare. Artificial intelligence may be defined as the use of computers and technology to simulate intelligent behavior and critical thinking comparable to a human being. Artificial intelligence possesses remarkable ability to analyze large amounts of data, which in turn would assist diagnosis by electronic means. In recent years, artificial intelligence has revolutionized clinical decision making besides avoiding the medical errors. Machines and computer programs are quite capable of solving problems and learning similar to a human brain. Machine learning, a facet of artificial intelligence, is regarded as the study of computer algorithms that are automatically improved through experience by applying systematic mathematical modalities. Further, deep learning, a subset of machine learning, refers to an algorithm that learns by processing input data through artificial neural networks that mimic neurons or nerve cells in the biologic brain. This is one of the most significant attributes of artificial intelligence that has been extensively used with great success. Artificial intelligence enables physicians to assess patients with greater precision, which in turn would translate into faster and more accurate diagnosis. For instance, artificial intelligence is already revolutionizing the field of radiology by improving workflows, providing diagnostic and imaging assistance. It can effectively process a huge and diverse volume of medical images and scans in the shortest possible time. Thus, the physicians of today and tomorrow would be able to focus more on patient care, leaving to technology the huge task of examining and analyzing clinical data with precision. Artificial intelligence can assist physicians in several avenues, such as in early diagnosis and clinical decision making, minimizing diagnostic and therapeutic errors, and thus increase patient safety, predicting outcomes of the disease, obtaining feedback on the nature and type of treatment given, learning and self-correcting abilities to improve its accuracy based on feedback, reinforcing non-pharmacological management extraction of information from a large patient population, making real-time inferences for health risk alerts. Medical students in the present era are confronting rapid information explosion. They will have all the opportunities and challenges associated with use of artificial intelligence in medicine throughout their long and cherished future career. However, it must be stated in all fairness that the pattern of current medical education does not have a good ecosystem that would prepare future physicians for the impending revolution by artificial intelligence in healthcare. In addition to imparting the basic medical sciences and clinical training, the medical curriculum needs to necessarily include comprehensive training in artificial intelligence in order to enhance the capacity and acumen of the discerning physicians practicing in the midst of a data-rich environment. Artificial intelligence provides instantaneous feedback, enhancement of problem-based learning with learning guided theory, identifying and responding to gaps in students' knowledge, reduce need for teacher supervision. Further, it is effective in minimizing the possible harm that may be inflicted on the patients. The rational use of artificial intelligence for administrative purposes will enable efficient utilization of resources, which in turn can be channelized towards delivery of quality care, the creation of new drugs and therapeutic modalities, and the conduct of ethically driven research.
I myself, Dr. Pramodini, Professor of Microbiology and Director, Center for Healthcare Artificial Intelligence Research, SBV. In keeping with the emergence of artificial intelligence and its potential uses in healthcare sector, the need for dedicated artificial intelligence research center is implied. For this purpose, the Center for Healthcare Artificial Intelligence and Research, CHAIR, has been established by SBV. The perspective of this center is to be a step ahead in research and innovation in the field of artificial intelligence and to study various modalities of applications of artificial intelligence in healthcare. The Center for Healthcare Artificial Intelligence and Research, CHAIR SBV, organized a very unique webinar on artificial intelligence in healthcare on May 5, 2021, the first of its kind in the Union Territory of Pondicherry. A total of 160 delegates from various states of India participated in this webinar. The webinar had diverse sessions with renowned speakers deliberating on various aspects of artificial intelligence. Currently, the center has 2 ongoing funded faculty projects, 1 PhD project and 2 publications. The projects are evaluating the principle and applications of artificial intelligence in the field of infectious disease, dental sciences and imaging.
The areas in which interventions based on artificial intelligence are being developed include disease detection and diagnostics, to build decision support systems for diagnostics as well as in predictive systems for prognostication, computer vision and deep learning models in imaging such as X-rays, CT scans, PET scans and ultrasound scans. For early detection of tumors, analyzing the images of blood to predict the onset of hemodynamic shock in diagnosis of tuberculosis and containing antibiotic resistance. Process optimization includes to enhance efficiency in areas such as hospital bed management and processing of insurance claims, to develop online platforms that assist in finding a doctor, storing health records, or procuring medications. Automating the first level screening of symptoms. Optical character reading systems are also being used to scan prescriptions and check prescribed medications against the inventory. In patient-facing applications, chatbots are increasingly being used as conversational agents for interaction with patients. Artificial intelligence-driven analysis of camera feeds to detect emotional responses and patients' fatigue. Sensor data is also being used to monitor patient recovery and response to medication after surgery or treatment. Wearable sensors are being developed to measure vital signs and provide doctors with actionable insights. In medical research and development and training, to derive molecular insights for drug discovery. Surgery simulators to train doctors for spine and knee surgery. The future of artificial intelligence in healthcare could include tasks that range from simple to complex. Everything from answering the phone to medical record review, population health training and analytics, therapeutic drug and device design, reading radiology images, making clinical diagnosis and treatment plans, and even talking with patients. Artificial intelligence promises to change the practice of medicine. Medical professionals also need to understand and acclimatize themselves with these advances for better healthcare delivery to the masses. A key challenge for future governance of artificial intelligence technologies will be ensuring that artificial intelligence is developed and used in a way that is transparent and compatible with the public interest, whilst stimulating and driving innovations in this sector.
Greetings from Sri Balaji Vidyapeeth. Myself, Professor A.R. Srinivasan, the registrar of this progressive health sciences deemed to be university named Sri Balaji Vidyapeeth. I feel immensely gratified in sharing a few highlights of Sri Balaji Vidyapeeth. The SBV Women's Cell has been diligently working towards making giant strides in women empowerment at various levels in the community setting. We are happy to share that the SBV Women's Cell had recently launched the book She. She stands for Social, Hopeful and Empowered. This book was released on the 23rd of June 2021 at a glittering function that was chaired by none other than our Honorable Vice Chancellor of Sri Balaji Vidyapeeth, Professor Subhash Chandra Parija. The book is dedicated to all the proud women employees of SBV for the well-determined and concerted efforts and nodal and significant contributions made towards the holistic development and success of SBV. SBV is delighted to share that our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Subhash Chandra Parija, has been conferred the prestigious fellowship of the Royal Society of Biology, London, United Kingdom, in recognition of his immense, cardinal and seminal contributions in the field of infectious diseases, with due emphasis being laid on epidemiology and management.
I wish you the best of health. Do remember to continue practicing physical distancing, wearing masks and personal hygiene. Stay safe. God bless you. Jai Hind.